Hello everyone, this is ACIs and today we will be doing logic gates for the computer science subject of IGCSE and Olevels. This is maybe chapter 10 from your books. So the rule to remember here is basically on. If something is on, it means the output value is 1. And if something is off, the output value is 0. So if a light bulb turns on, the output value will be 1, and if it doesn't, the output value will be 0. Now keep that in mind. We will go on with the symbols now, the logic gates. Okay, so the first one being a NOT gate. NOT gate has a single input and a single output. So basically I prepared these rhymes for you to remember also. So you can say NOT is a rebel, it flips the show. So that just means that whatever is the value, the NOT output will be opposite of that input value. So if it's a 0, it will be 1. If it's a 1, it will be 0. Then comes the AND gate. AND gate have 2 inputs and it brings out 1 output. So the rhyme is, AND is shy, needs all to be bright, only then it shines its light. So what it means by that is if both inputs are 0, it will not light up. If either one is a 0 and the other one is 1, it will still not light up. The only case it will have output 1 is if the both inputs are 1. I hope this makes you remember this thing because you have to remember it for your exams later on. Third gate is OR gate. So OR gate also takes 2 inputs, that is A and B, and it outputs 1 output. You can see the symbol also. So OR is chill, just one will do. If any light up, it light up too. So that means if the both inputs are 0, it will only be 0 then. Otherwise, it will have 1 outputs. That means if either is 1 from the 2 inputs, it will still light up. So the light up, keep in mind, that is the output 1. Okay. So now comes the NAND gate. NAND gate is opposite to AND gate. It also have 2 inputs and it outputs 1. So NAND is sneaky. It fakes the cheers. When both are 1, it disappears. So basically, whenever the 2 inputs are 0 or either one of them is 0, it will have a 1 as an output. In the rest case, when both are 1, it will have a 0 output. Then comes NOR gate. So NOR is opposite to OR gate. NOR is cold, says no light today, only all zeros light cheers its way. So basically, when both inputs are 0, it will have 1 as an output. In the rest of the cases, it will have 0 output. Lastly comes the XOR gate. So XOR says same is lame. I'll stay dark, different, yes. I'll spark. So basically, whenever the 2 inputs are same, that means 0, 0 or 1, 1, it will have output 0. And if the both are different, then it will have output 1. Okay, so you get this kind of question. So A and B in a bracket or C and make the logic gate of it in the truth table. So how I usually do it is that we do the bracket first and then we move on. So the first step I would do is basically A and B. I would draw that and then I would draw the answer of A and B joint with the OR C. And then I would extend the line to the X. That's it. That is all you have to do. Now we will do the truth table part. So basically in the truth table, I'm going to attempt it in the same way. So the first part, I'm just going to name it P because I want to. So P is basically referring to A and B. And then I'm going to solve that first. So A and B, so there is a logic gate AND. So the both inputs, we will apply the AND rule to it. Which is 0, 0 will be 0, 0, 0 will be again 0, 0, 1 will also be 0, 0, 1 will also be 0, 1, 0 will be 0, 1, 0 will be 0, and then 1, 1 would be 1 only, and then 1, 1 would be 1. So now half of it is done. So basically, P or C is the whole equation to X. So P or C. Now I'm gonna move on to the logic of the P and the input of the C. And then I'm going to apply the OR rule to it. So 0, 0, and the OR rule to it would make it 0. And then 1, 0 will be 1, 0, 0 will be 0, 1, 0 will be 1, 0, 0 will be 0, 1, 0 will be 1, 1, 0 will be 1, and 1, 0 will be 1. So basically the whole answer is almost done, because P or C is basically the entire statement and the conclusion to it is the X. So I will just write the answer of being 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 111. That is how you answer the question. If you have any query, you can comment down below. And maybe in future I can make more videos like this if you guys want that. Thank you.